everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today to review some breast tape. Okay, so if you are one of those ladies that always need some breast tape or even some nipple covers, I got you covered today in this video. Now, a company by the name of BUSTIES reached out to me and asked me if they could send me their breast tape kit. So everything that you need is in this little box right here. So of course, I'll be letting you guys know what's all in here. I'll be showing you guys what's all in here. And of course, I will be demonstrating the breast tape for you. So if you are interested in hearing about BUSTIES breast tape kit and seeing how the breast tape works for me, then keep watching. All right, so like I said, everything is in this little box, okay? So, of course, I'm going to show you what's in here, but I do want to let you know what's in here. So, they do have one roll of breast tape, which I'll be reviewing today for you guys. One pair of reusable silicone lifting nipple covers, 4 pairs of satin flower nipple covers, and 1 skin sensitivity test kit. Unfortunately, I did not get a chance to do that. I don't recommend that you do not do that. So make sure you guys do the sensitivity kit to make sure you are not allergic to the tape. All right, so of course in here it has little instructions how to apply the breast tape. So here is the roll of breast tape. Here's the silicone nipple covers. Here's the satin flower nipple covers, and this is the little sensitivity strip kit thing. And then of course they did provide a little baggie, which it says BUSTIES right here, so you can put everything in this baggie. Now, it's been a while since I've used breast tape, so I'm definitely gonna have to look at the instructions. Okay, so right now I do have a bra on, so I'm actually gonna take the bra off. I'm gonna take this shirt off and I'm gonna put on another shirt with no bra to see, you know, how the breast tape works with that shirt. All right, so I went ahead and put this shirt on. So before I get started, I do want to let you guys know that I am a 36D. So we're going to see how this breast tape works. So unfortunately, I did not get a chance to actually do the test strip, okay? Don't be like me. Do not be like me. Make sure you guys, if you have never used breast tape, even if you have, make sure you guys use that test strip to be sure that you are not allergic to the breast tape, okay? So do that, definitely do that. So that is the first thing that you will have to do. Then it says the second thing is you need to prep. So you need to make sure your skin is clean and dry. It has to be free of all lotions, creams, perfume, makeup, sweat, sunblock, body glitter, and edible chocolate body paint. So nothing is on my boobies. So then it says protect, apply a satin nipple cover for protection. Trust us on this. So I am gonna go ahead and open the satin nipple covers. And I'm just gonna put it on one right now, okay? We're gonna do one boobie at a time. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, okay? So I can properly add my nipple cover. All right, so I added my nipple cover. So now it says tape. So apply tape as needed and smooth out any wrinkles. Once it has touched your skin, the tape will not re-stick. 5, trim, carefully trim any breast tape that you don't want to show. All right, so let me open this. And actually, you know, I know what I just said. Let me apply the other nipple cover. All right, so both nipple covers are on. So I'm gonna see how I wanna do this, okay? Because it's supposed to lift. So I think I'm gonna go like an X, like how they have it, I think. Or maybe, y'all, this is gonna be a little challenging. I'm gonna cut right. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. I did add the breast tape and I didn't really lift it up like I wanted to, because they did say to make sure, you know, you position it the way you want to, because once you put the tape on, it's not gonna stick again. So at first you couldn't really see any cleavage, beforehand before I added the tape, and I did add the tape. I just lifted it a little bit, just a tad bit, so you can kind of see my cleavage now. So what I'm gonna do now is add a little bit more tape. So I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna cut this one in half. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can lift my boobies up just a little bit more. All right, so I added a little bit more tape, okay? And it's giving me a little lift. It gave me a little lift. Now, like I said, it's been a while since I've actually used breast tape, and since I'm at home, I didn't really apply the breast tape to perfection because I'm not going anywhere, but I just wanted you guys to see the before and after, and it definitely, well, ignore that, and it definitely gave me a little lift. Definitely gave me a little lift. Nothing, you know, nothing extravagant, but it is still there. Still there. Now, of course, don't be like me. Make sure your tape is covered, okay? If I was to, you know, apply the tape exactly how I want to, I would have been able to really lift a little bit more. But this will do for now. Because like I said beforehand, you guys couldn't see, you know, this. It was just, this shirt was like this. Like you couldn't see anything. Now that I applied the tape, you can see a little something, okay? But once again, don't be like me. Make sure your tape is not showing, okay? But yeah, not bad. I can't wait to actually use this tape like when I go out and I have an outfit where I don't want to wear a bra, or a bra doesn't look good, especially, y'all know, like the backless dresses and shirts and all that stuff. So I definitely can't wait. I cannot wait to use that tape. But yeah, so far I like it. Like I said, I didn't apply it to perfection. I just applied it so you guys can see this video and see how it works, how it can work. But yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, if I just take some more tape and lift this area right here, then it definitely would work. Actually, let me go ahead and do that, okay? Let's play with it a little bit more. Let's cut some more tape. All right, so let's see. It gave it a little bit more lift. Just a little bit. But yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I'm really excited to, you know, use it some more throughout my life, because sometimes I need something for a little lifty lift. But yeah, not bad. So I do want to thank Busties for reaching out to me and asking me to review their breast tape kits and sending me over their breast tape kit. I really, really do appreciate it and can't wait to really use it some more, okay? You guys let me know down below in the comments if you have ever heard of Busties, and also let me know how you feel about Busties breast tape kit, if you have used it, of course. And if you haven't used it and you are curious in using it, make sure you guys check the description box below. I provided my Amazon storefront link for you guys, and the Busties breast tape kit is on my Amazon store. I don't remember what I listed it under. It's either sleepwear or it's a boob thing, I don't know, but it is there for you guys. So go ahead and click and go ahead and get you a breast tape kit today, okay? If you're one of those ladies that need a little lifting, or you got a bunch of dresses and shirts that you can't wear a bra for, go ahead and head over to Busties Amazon store and get you a breast tape kit. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.